So I'm here with a new 2020 Supra, getting ready to go into competition with Rutledge and Ed Laukus. And as you know, that competition is stiff because Ed likes to win and I don't like to lose. As you know, 2 years ago, Rut and I killed the NASCAR guys. And once again we got another victim in sight. Ed, you're going down, buddy. So here's some of the renderings right now that we've been working on. Kind of show you where we're going, the pieces that we're building. Looks mean. The history of Supra is unbelievable. I go all the way back to the 93s, and I'll tell you what, I still have a couple in my stable, and they're so fun to drive, and the new one is even more exciting than ever. So the 2020 Supra, there's a lot of heritage behind Supra. It's all about the performance. We took the old intake, got rid of that thing, took the old intake for the turbo, got rid of that thing, and created some new pieces from Boost Logic.
This is our new stainless steel downpipe, which we developed for the 2020 Supra. This is not only going to increase the sound, but add horsepower as well. This, along with our titanium exhaust system, is going to not only add power, sound better, but also have a great weight savings from the stock components on the vehicle. It's going to be mind-blowing, and it's going to be the most powerful Supra in the world.
So Rut and I were talking, what could we possibly do to this car? A couple things that need to be done is we thought it'd be nice if we could make this come out a little bit further to get a little bit bigger wheel. We want to put a little bit more styling body kit on this thing just to add some features. I've been doing this for 25 years. It's always stressful. I've built a lot of cars, but when you don't have any parts available and you have 90 days to do this, it's really a tough build. So Rut's got a lot of input on what he wants to see. I got a lot of input what I want. So right now, Rut and I are fighting. I think we're having a little bit of a disagreement. I think the Voodoo Blue is going to look good.
Yeah, that's a cool color, no doubt. But this is the Supra though that we're going to unveil at SEMA.
He wanted to go sandstone color, and I wanted to go Voodoo Blue. As everybody knows, Voodoo Blue's cool.
What if we go cement off the Tundra and the 4Runner and the Tacoma? That beautiful. It looks like primer that's been cleared.
But at the end of the day I think we decided on something that's going to be beautiful for the show. Exhaust system, new downpipe, full titanium exhaust system, custom built. And you look at this piece right here. This is the finest art piece I have in my house right now. Come on with me. Let's check out the car on the dyno and see what kind of noise it makes. Every car you build for SEMA is a piece of you. This would be probably a big chunk of me. I think we did a hell of a job, and my team did a great job building this car. The car is phenomenal. All in all, this was a really, really fun ride. Stressful, yes. Fun, yes. A lot of competition, yeah. Typical, right? That's what we do. We're racers. We go out there and we build with our hearts and see what we got.